Today we are bracing for potentially historic wildfire danger. That is all according to the National Weather Service. Almost all of Central Texas is now under what's known as a red flag warning.
Last night, leaders in both Travis and Williamson counties issued burn bans because of this danger. In just a few minutes, we'll check in with our first warning weather team, as Freddie said, to talk about where the conditions are outside right now and how we got here. But first, we want to begin by bringing in Chief Nick Perkins with the Pflugerville Fire Department, also known as Travis County Emergency Services District 2. Chief, thank you so much for joining us today on what could be a really busy day.
Yeah, happy to be here.
We want to talk about the work your department does, and then how does it change on a day like today when the risk is so high?
So what we've been doing really since the weekend is all of the emergency service districts in Travis County and our local response partners have been meeting, planning and coordinating, getting ready for today. And so what that results in is upstaffing, meaning we've all brought on additional staff, so we have extra resources that we can bring on these fires. And then we're coordinating with our local and our state partners like the Texas Forest Service, making sure we're linked up, those communication channels are open, and we're aware of each other's situation.
I know we're just now early into the afternoon, but have you seen any trouble spots or areas of concern, at least up until now?
Yeah, what we're seeing mainly right now is power lines getting knocked down, and so that's primarily what we're responding to and can be a source of fires.
I do want to note for our audience, we'll be speaking with Austin Energy later on in our show to get a better idea of if power lines go down, how the utility responds. But Chief Perkins here, I want to talk to you about how you sent crews to California to respond to those devastating wildfires in the Los Angeles area. Since your crews have come back home, are there any lessons that they learned in California that could help in responding here in Central Texas?
So we're regular participants in our statewide mutual aid system, so our crews are very used to going to other areas and fighting fires. I think what's different about California is the conditions in California are different. So we see topography that is different than what we see here in Central Texas, and certainly those winds. And so I think it's just conditions that are that much more elevated, and was the experience for those crews.
Now, a recent report did rank Texas pretty high on the list of wildfire risk, coming in third after California and Colorado. You know the conditions and the terrain in your area very well, so are there certain places where you're worried about fire starting or areas that you might watch a little more closely compared to some others?
So generally what we see in Travis County is on the east side we have a more flat kind of grassland, and that's typically where we see a more frequency in fire starts. Those fires tend to move a little bit quicker. We call them light flashy fuels, and so those are the fires that concern us. But in terms of risk, we see risk throughout Travis County, and so everyone needs to be vigilant.
You know, prevention, we have been telling people all day, can actually start with people at home. People today can do their part. What should people be aware of? Are there any tips that maybe aren't the obvious ones to remind people of when conditions are like this?
Yeah, so there's really a lot that you can do for your home. Some of it you can't really do today. I like to see gutters and screens vented and screened in. That is incredibly effective in reducing embers from starting houses on fire. But what we can do today is we can remove debris and items away from our fences, away from our homes, and away from our decks. That reduces the likelihood of ignitions and removes fuel that could support fire coming and catching your house on fire.
All right, well, Chief Nick Perkins, we appreciate you taking so much time out of your afternoon to talk with us, and all of our thoughts will be with your crews this afternoon, and hopefully it won't get to be that position, but thanks so much for sharing your advice and insight.
Appreciate it, thanks.
All right.